Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Nak main pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Tang kawai, hendak Pulit kira Jingtip, bagi dan Ngut, Kiba Shah Batbor, haka Jingjia kabaja ha uput usam, jongkal Khara police station. Uspetanan of police ka is khasials ubah VVX ulai tu, bagi Pulit kidang Thwet, yau tahu beriau, namar bahaying ru dan. Kajing Thwet banju akam, yau kadang ya syahmat, hadu mentah ki Pulit kadang yau tang kawai ke ijahar, bersya yau. WSP ulang, balai keren dak phone, pat ki pat ki bangat haka ju ka apat. Bala batha iki bikin ujor ijahar. Bat berrekod ika jing batai jongki lani ka statement.
So with regard to the rape case which has been registered in Ankara, we have actually sent lookout notices to Mizoram, and now we've also sent notices all India to nab the culprit. Team has been set up to actually trace the accused. The victim statement has been recorded. We have come to know that other victims also are there, and they will also be examined in due course of time. Once the accused is arrested and more facts are brought out, we will charge sheet the case as soon as possible. But right now, the immediate action of the police is to actually cause arrest of the accused.
So that means apart from one victim, there are more victims that have come forward?
We have spoken to some more victims, and but it's just over phone, and we have called them to come and give their statement and their FIR.
So that has been done?
No, that's yet to be done. They have not come yet, but we've spoken on the phone.
More or less, how many are affected?
I think about 3 we know so far.
But they're more likely more than that, because we see from alleged social media posts and all that there are 8 or so. So how true is that?
From social media posts, I mean, that is not fact. We are yet to ascertain the veracity of that. So unless people come forward, even these other 2 who've got, we are yet to ascertain. I mean, unless they come forward and give their statement and we examine them and get the veracity of their statement, only then can we ascertain that yes, they are victims of this offence.
Meghalaya police are gone to Aizawl to get them. What happened?
No. Meghalaya police has not gone to Aizawl. In fact, I'm in touch with SP Aizawl. We have searched this. Aizawl police has searched the house of the accused, and he is not there. In fact, from the beginning only, when the social media posts had emerged that he had gone absconding, and we had also come to know from certain sources that he is not there yet. We communicated to SP Aizawl to actually conduct search and to look for him, and he's not there in his residence. It is a matter of time only that we will get him. Lookout notice is set, so we hope to get him soon.
So last time we spoke to the father, he said that no such case, or neither has the police reached out to the family. How true is this, and why have the police not reached out to the family?
At the IO level, I don't know whether they've reached out. Our aim is actually to get the accused. So the parents, the family members know that there's an offence. It would have been if they knew where he was or he was at home, it would have been incumbent for them to bring him. But as we know, and it's a matter of fact, that he's not with them.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe. through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.